Alright guys, so both cameras are now shooting in 8K 30 frames per second at the highest resolution I could possibly get the cameras into. Now we're going to do a fun side-by-side comparison again, and I want you guys to try to decipher which one is the X4, which one is the X5. I will tell you guys at the end of the video, but we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna try to figure it out. What I also am gonna try to do is do some photos, and we're gonna see which one can actually do better photos as well.